Matron, take them away. Oh.
Hey guys, hope you're well. If this is your first time here, I'm the big fella. That is the Scruffy Trader. And what I'm trying to do with this channel is keep trading in the real world. And sort of kind of show you my progress as I go. And you'll see a lot of trades on this channel. But every once in a while, certainly once a week, I like to have a coffee with Scruff. Where, believe it or not, I actually stop arsing around and I try and put some things into perspective. Now, yesterday I did a video where I had a bit of a royal rant about getting out of the industry because it's not for you. And let's just say it had a mixed bag in the responses. Now, the ones that were very positive and messaged me probably have a chance in this game. The ones that were not so positive, maybe they don't. And I tried to explain this morning in the video call that we have with the Scruffs every morning about how it's tough love. And they kind of looked at me a bit sideways. And I tried to explain it a little bit in the sense that I thought it was a good thing that it cleared house. Because believe it or not, my subscribers dropped off like no tomorrow on that video. But sometimes you need to know what the hard truths are. And the hard truth in this industry is very simple. It takes money to make money. And if you haven't got any money, you ain't making it. It's that simple. And the Forex market is incredibly difficult because of the speed of movement and the amount of money that you need to open up positions, etc. So what happens is you get sucked into the shiny lights. And the shiny lights are probably what's doing the damage to you. So what I thought I'd do is I just want to quickly show you something. Let me switch this on and I'll show you something. Right. This is a share account that I set up. It's only got a small amount in it, 100 quid or something. And the positions that you open up in the shares are tiny. However, I'm trading this exactly the same as I would Forex. And I'm going to show you how many positions I've got. There's all of my shares put together. And as you can see, the decent sizes, they're £1, £1, 90 pence, because I've took some money off. £1, 50 pence, 4 pence. And these are all done on daily charts, 4-hour charts, because that's what I do. And I look for return on investment. But look, it's made a fiver collective. If I closed all that off, the net is a fiver. And that's what I've got running. It's already paid me some dividends today, £1.24. And I know it's not a lot, right? But it was only 10p, okay? Now, every day these are going to compound up. And they'll compound up into something worthwhile. And that worthwhile, kind of just to illustrate, is this. The investment into the trade based on that very small balance. Because all I did was I looked at my main account and just took the skew off the top to take it to the nearest 500. And it gave me that. So give me a nice opener up on this account. But there's your investment into the account. Minimal. And it's already this week giving me a 1% return on that. Well, if you haven't got any money, isn't that a better way to go? Look at very small, low-cost assets and learn your craft without damaging yourself too badly. There's one asset that's called correctly and it's currently sitting at £9.67. All I have to do is click close. And that's the thick end of 10% of the account in less than a week. Just by doing a simple thing, you know. And what is that simple thing? Well, I screened the stocks to find low value ones that were, well, just penny stocks. You know, it might cost £1 to get in, but the margin requirement is only a few quid, you know. So then my stop becomes very small. So I guess what I'm driving at with today's video is, if you want to trade, think about it this way. Do you want to waste all your money in markets that can potentially wipe you out in one trade? Just one. Or do you want to learn your craft by putting small margins in? Because the margins on some of these shares are down to £2 and £3 just for your margin. So you can open up 10 shares off 100 quid, and £100 is not a lot of money. And then you can just build up your skill set, because the way I trade those shares is no different than how you see me trade the DAX, the indices, gold, whatever, Forex. It's exactly the same, because I work on the same principles. Cherish your thoughts. But the idea is just to show you that you can put a small balance in and build it up. And if you're wrong, well, then you're wrong, you know, but at least it don't cost you a lot. Just a bit of food for thought. Look at shares and find a few that are low value and see if you can earn your craft. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.